Here Come the Aliens by Colin McNaughton. Hello Year 2, Miss Hanny here. Thank you for joining me for this assembly. It's lovely that you came along. I'm going to be sharing a book with you today called Here Comes the Aliens. And while you're listening to the story, I'd like you to think about how different the characters are that you meet along the way. Think about how they look different, what they like doing, their personalities, and all the way through think how different they are to us humans. Okay, ready? Here we go. In outer space, it's black as night, and something's moving, speed of light. Something looking for a fight. Here come the aliens. A fleet of spaceships heads this way. They're 50 zillion miles away. But getting closer every day. The aliens are coming. They're zooming in from outer space to conquer us, the human race. We'll soon be standing face to face. The aliens are coming. The Admiral's a fearsome sight, a simple creature, not too bright. All he wants to do is fight. The aliens are coming. The first mate looks like wobbly jelly. He's sort of gaseous and smelly. He has an eyeball in his belly. The aliens are coming. These beings come in different sizes. This one's doing exercises. Get ready, Earth, for some surprises. The aliens are coming. Some have one head, some have two. There's even one with none, it's true. What on earth are we to do? The aliens are coming. They come from planets near and far, some big, some small, some quite bizarre. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, the aliens are coming. I really hate to make a fuss. Perhaps you thought they'd look like us, but most of them appear thus. The aliens are coming. This one squeaks and that one squawks. Some have eyeballs stuck on stalks. This one squelches when it walks. The aliens are coming. See the aliens at lunch. Slobber, dribble, gobble, munch. Table manners, not this bunch. The aliens are coming. Some are bald and some are hairy. Some are roundy, some are squarey. Some look friendly, but beware, the aliens are coming. They've boldly been where we've not been. They're blue and purple, sickly green. At home, this one's a beauty queen. The aliens are coming. None speak English, French or Greek. They sort of grunt and burp and squeak. The chance of peace talks, I'd say bleak. The aliens are coming. Some have teeth and some are gummy. Some are smart and some are dummy. Some have, help, I want my mummy. The aliens are coming. Some are tall and some are squat. Some are cool and some are hot. Some are nice, but most are not. The aliens are coming. At last the earth comes into view. The Admiral knows what to do. He orders battle stations, crew. The aliens are coming. But approaching planet Earth they see, though how it got there, don't ask me. A piece of paper floating free. The aliens are slowing. It swiftly passed around the fleet. 1,000 hearts stop, miss a beat. The order goes out, fleet, retreat. The aliens are going. For this is what the aliens saw, a picture of your class aged 4. It scared them off, away they roar, the aliens are going. Yes, all the aliens agree of life in every galaxy. The ugliest is you and me. The aliens have gone vermoost. The aliens have gone. So what did you notice? Did you notice how different all the aliens were? Their appearances were different, they liked doing different things. One thing they all had in common was how scared they were when they saw the photo of the humans, and it made them really worried to come to Earth. Now you may be worried about joining a new school in September and coming along to Year 3, especially because we haven't had a chance to welcome you into the junior school already. I totally understand if you feel a bit nervous about joining a new school. Each September I get nervous too about meeting the 96 children in my new year group. But when I sit back and think about it, I actually start to get really excited. Learning new things, going on trips, meeting all of you, getting to know your grown-ups, helping you learn about life at the juniors and all the fun stuff that you're going to get to experience. It is absolutely fine to feel a bit nervous, just like the aliens were nervous about humans. But don't forget the excitement too. Just like the aliens were a team on a journey, you will be joining the Darrickwood Junior School team, and there will be lots of smiles and kind words to help you overcome your nerves and enjoy all that Year 3 and beyond has to offer. Thank you for listening so beautifully. We can't wait to meet you in September. Take care. Bye.